All right, so today in writing, we are going to continue working on our chapters for informational writing. So we should be on chapter 2 now. If you need to finish chapter 1, please finish chapter 1. So don't go on to this next subtopic chapter until you have finished the first. So we'll be finishing chapter 2. Again, if you think you're done, make sure you go back into chapter 1 and chapter 2. Do not go into the next chapter. And make sure you're following a certain text structure, right? So again, it could be description, compare and contrast, sequence, right? It can be all different types of text structures. Just pick one for each chapter. And then you're going to try to elaborate and expand in your chapters in any way that you can, right? So if you look right here, right? So yesterday we should have been working on this, right? So when I say chapter 1 and chapter 2, I know it doesn't line up chapter 1 and chapter 2, but it's our activity. I mean, not our activity. I just saw the word activity. It is our subtopic chapters, right? So not the introduction, not the conclusion. So you would technically be on this chapter today. Okay, so once this one right here is done, we're moving on to this second one. So again, I would go down, right? So yesterday I worked with my beach paragraphs, right? So this chapter is pretty much done for right now. Obviously, I can go back to it at the very end, but I have what I want in here right now, right? You'll see I have my pop-out sentence, right, in the very beginning to draw you as a reader into my writing. So make sure you have that. And then today, again, I already started writing a little bit, but this is what you're going on to, right? So technically it's going to be number 3, but it's your second chapter about your subtopics, okay? Because we're skipping introduction and conclusion for now, right? And again, I have my pop-out sentence, right? Dressing for success is key, but there are a few other things that you will need for the beach, right? So then I will go in to all the different things that you need when you are packing for the beach. All right, and I will have to add on to this. I just started it, but make sure you try to get those 2 paragraphs. And again, make sure you're trying to follow any certain text structure when you are writing. All right, so by the end of today, we should have both of these paragraphs, both of these chapters done. And there could be multiple paragraphs within each chapter, right? The more we elaborate and expand, it will make our writing much stronger. All right, so make sure we stay focused. Take as much time as you need. Remember, you can take a little extra time and then just start social studies whenever you finish this, but it's okay if you have to go past the usual time when we would start social studies. All right, have fun with this. Show me what an expert you are.